this is Dr. Popelka Brown, and I'm going to walk you through a couple of the features of this little hands-on Google Doc activity. And part of what makes this activity pretty neat is that we can embed little help videos throughout the document. So I'm going to show you how to get to those really quickly. And so the first one, let's say I need a refresher on isolating the variable. Like the directions say, if I need it, click on the box underneath it. So I'm going to double click here to open it up. Then I'm going to double click on the video on the left, since that's the one I need, is isolating the variable.
When you're trying to solve an equation,
And let's say I've started watching it, and yikes, I realize it's just a little too small. That is not a problem either. All you need to do, I know you can't see my mouse on the screen, but I am putting my mouse like right here, just touching the top right corner of the video, and I just clicked on it. See how now I have this blue border? And I'm actually dragging the top right corner now to make the video bigger so that it's easier for me to see. And say I've watched the video, I'm done, now I'm just going to drag it back, make it smaller. You can really don't have to worry about messing up this document because it's your own personal copy of it. You can kind of do whatever you want. So drag the videos to make them bigger or smaller, whatever you need to make it work. So let's say I've watched the video, I'm done, so now I'm going to hit save and close. I'm ready to go on with the activity. And my first step is that it's going to ask me to build a model of the equation 2x plus 5. And according to the directions, it does say over here I need to explain. For step 1, all you need to do is build a model, so there's really nothing you need to explain over here in the right-hand side. That's why I said no need to explain, just build the model. So now to build the model, you're going to click on this picture on the left, double click to open. And I've actually made for you some little algebra tiles that you can drag over to the model. So if we're looking at the directions, notice that red equals negative. I don't have any negatives here, so I'm just going to work with the yellow ones. And I'm going to kind of give away step 1 to you here by showing you how to do this, but that's okay. So because I've got 2 x's on the left side of my equal sign, I'm going to drag 2 of these yellow x's over here. Now to get a 5 over on the left-hand side, I've got a couple different options. I can either drag 5 of these little 1 units over there, or instead what I'm going to do, I dragged 1 of the 1s, and I'm going to click on it, backspace, and I'm going to turn that 1 into a 5. So now I've got 2x plus 5. And then to get the 13 on the right-hand side, oh, I have a 13 left over from earlier, I forgot. But you could have just dragged a 10, drag a few, and then drag 3 1s over. Or you could just drag a 10, click on the box again, change that 10 to a 13. Doesn't matter to me how you do it. It's fine, like either way. As long as you've got a model, that's cool. Let's say I'm done. I'm going to hit save and close. There is, throughout this activity, little videos embedded. So you see right here where it says click on the video for a hint. Let's say I forgot how to build the equation 2x plus 5. If I double click on this little video icon, it will give me a video. You can see I'm not working the exact same problem, but it is one that's very similar. So I would click on the video. That would give you, play the little hint for you so that maybe it could help you out. I watched the video, save and close. So as you go through this activity, you're going to need to build models, like make copies of models underneath here over on the left-hand side. So what you're going to do to get this model that I just made down into the box beneath it, I'm going to click on the drawing. I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to hit copy. Then I'm going to click down here to the empty box, and then I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to hit paste. So that now I have a copy of the model. I don't need to redraw anything, and now I'm ready to do step 1, whatever that might be, of solving this equation. And again, you're going to see little video hints throughout this activity to help you in case you get stuck.